Algorand isn't just trying to make payments faster. It could eliminate one of the biggest hidden costs in global finance: payment reconciliation. Every day, companies spend countless hours trying to answer one simple question: did we actually receive the money? For multinational businesses processing thousands or even millions of payments, that answer is surprisingly difficult. But what if every payment settled instantly? Every transaction was permanently recorded, and reconciliation happened automatically? Today we'll explore how Algorand and Ethereum could transform one of the most inefficient processes in modern finance. Payment reconciliation sounds simple. A customer pays. The payment processor confirms it. The bank receives the money. The finance department verifies everything matches. But in reality, businesses often use several payment service providers, multiple banks, dozens of currencies, and different accounting systems. Every one of those systems creates another report, another file, another opportunity for something not to match. Before finance teams can close their books, every transaction must be manually verified. Thousands of payments, thousands of records, thousands of chances for mistakes. Traditional payment infrastructure was never designed for today's digital economy. Money often passes through several financial institutions before reaching its destination. Each institution maintains its own ledger, its own timestamps, its own settlement schedule, its own reporting format. The result? Finance teams spend enormous amounts of time comparing data across disconnected systems. Sometimes settlements arrive days after the original payment. Exchange rates change, fees appear, chargebacks occur. The reconciliation process becomes increasingly complicated. This is where Algorand changes the conversation. Instead of several disconnected databases, everyone references the same blockchain ledger. Every payment receives a permanent timestamp. Every transaction has one verifiable record. Every settlement becomes immediately visible. Algorand's sub-second finality means payments can become irreversible almost instantly. Instead of waiting days for confirmation, businesses could reconcile transactions in real time. Even better, smart contracts can automatically compare incoming payments against invoices. If everything matches, the system updates automatically. No spreadsheets, no manual checking, no lengthy month-end reconciliation. Ethereum approaches the challenge differently. Its greatest strength lies in programmability. Developers can build sophisticated reconciliation systems using smart contracts. Payments can automatically trigger accounting entries. Invoices can update instantly. ERP software can receive real-time settlement notifications. Historically, Ethereum faced higher transaction fees during busy periods. But Layer 2 networks have dramatically improved scalability while reducing costs. That makes Ethereum increasingly attractive for enterprise payment automation. Perhaps blockchain's greatest advantage isn't speed, it's transparency. Instead of banks, payment processors, accounting software, and finance teams maintaining separate versions of reality, everyone can reference the same ledger. Every payment is traceable. Every settlement is time-stamped. Every audit becomes easier. That single source of truth dramatically reduces reconciliation errors. Not entirely. Businesses still need to reconcile blockchain activity with accounting systems, tax reporting, regulatory compliance, and traditional bank accounts whenever fiat currency is involved. Blockchain doesn't remove financial controls. It makes them significantly easier. The manual work shifts toward automation. Finance professionals spend less time matching transactions and more time analyzing financial performance. As international commerce continues to grow, the number of digital payments will only increase. Businesses need infrastructure capable of processing enormous transaction volumes without creating equally enormous administrative workloads. That's exactly where blockchain could deliver its greatest value. Not replacing finance teams, but giving them better tools. With fast settlement, immutable records, programmable smart contracts, and transparent ledgers, both Algorand and Ethereum are helping redefine how businesses think about payments. Payment reconciliation has remained largely unchanged for decades. But blockchain introduces something traditional finance has never truly offered: a shared, trusted ledger available to everyone involved. For businesses seeking faster financial close processes, lower reconciliation costs, and greater operational efficiency, Algorand speed, predictable low fees, and instant finality make it particularly compelling for enterprise payment operations. Ethereum, meanwhile, offers one of the world's most mature ecosystems for programmable financial applications. The future of finance may not simply be faster payments. It could be payments that reconcile themselves.